Gary Comer's story is one of resilience, grit, and vision. Born into poverty, he went on to build a multi-billion-dollar empire in one of the most competitive industries, retail. Despite facing personal and professional challenges, Gary transformed his vision into reality and left a lasting legacy. His journey from hardship to success is a story that can inspire anyone looking to overcome their circumstances. Gary Comer was born on December 23, 1937, in a small working-class neighborhood in Chicago. He grew up in a modest home where his father worked as a laborer and his mother was a homemaker. The Comers had little money, but they were a close-knit family that valued hard work and determination. Gary's early life was marked by personal and financial struggles. His father passed away when he was just 14 years old, leaving his mother to raise him and his siblings on her own. At a young age, Gary learned the value of hard work and responsibility, taking on odd jobs to help support his family. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. This instilled in him a sense of self-reliance that would stay with him for the rest of his life. Despite the challenges, Gary excelled in school. He was particularly gifted in mathematics and science, subjects that would later serve him well in his professional life. After high school, Gary attended the University of Chicago, where he earned a degree in economics. It was during his college years that he developed a passion for business, particularly the world of retail. After graduation, Gary entered the workforce, first working at a variety of jobs, including as a sales representative for a men's clothing store. He quickly realized that retail had a unique appeal for him, its dynamic nature and the potential for growth. In the early stages of his career, Gary gained valuable experience working at several companies, where he learned the ins and outs of the retail industry. In the 1960s, after working for several retail companies, Gary decided it was time to take a risk. He took a leap of faith and founded his own business, Land's End, a direct mail clothing company specializing in high-quality casual wear. The business was initially launched from his basement, with Gary handling all aspects of the operation, from marketing to customer service. The early years of Land's End were tough. Gary faced significant competition in the retail industry, and the business struggled to find its footing. He didn't have access to significant capital, and his early marketing efforts were costly. However, Gary's determination and business acumen led him to develop a unique selling proposition. He marketed his products as premium quality at affordable prices. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. His focus on customer satisfaction and quality craftsmanship paid off, and word of mouth spread quickly. By the 1970s, Land's End was becoming a well-known name in the retail world. The company grew rapidly, attracting a loyal customer base thanks to its focus on quality products and exceptional customer service. Gary's knack for understanding what consumers wanted and delivering it consistently became a hallmark of his business approach. One of Gary's key strategies was to invest heavily in catalog marketing. He recognized the power of direct mail and how it could reach customers in a way that traditional retail could not. His catalogs became more than just sales tools. They were an experience. The catalogs showcased not only Land's End products, but also the company's values, including its commitment to quality and customer care. As the company expanded, Gary's leadership became a driving force behind its success. He understood that building a strong company culture was just as important as offering great products. He prioritized employee satisfaction and created an environment where people could grow and thrive. This approach led to Land's End becoming known not only for its products, but also for its outstanding workplace culture. By the 1980s, Land's End had become a household name. The company continued to expand its product lines, branching out into new categories such as outerwear, footwear, and accessories. Gary's entrepreneurial spirit and focus on innovation kept the company ahead of its competitors, and his ability to understand consumer needs set him apart from other retail moguls. Gary's focus on innovation and adaptability was tested during the 1990s, when the retail industry began to shift dramatically with the rise of e-commerce. Many traditional retailers were struggling to adjust to the digital age, but Gary saw the internet as an opportunity. He made Land's End one of the first major retailers to embrace e-commerce, launching an online store in the mid-1990s. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, turn on the notification bell, and comment. The move paid off. By leveraging the power of the internet, Gary was able to grow Land's End into a global brand. The company's online presence helped increase sales significantly, and by the late 1990s, Land's End had become one of the most successful direct mail retailers in the world. As Land's End grew, Gary's personal wealth also grew, and in 2002, he made the decision to sell the company to Sears for over $1.9 billion. While many entrepreneurs would have been satisfied with such an exit, Gary didn't stop there. He continued to invest his money in a variety of business ventures, focusing on philanthropy and giving back to the community. Gary was known for his commitment to supporting educational initiatives. He believed in the power of learning and took an active role in several educational foundations. He also donated millions of dollars to environmental causes, reflecting his deep concern for sustainability and the future of the planet. Gary Comer's journey from a young boy facing poverty to becoming a self-made billionaire is a powerful story of perseverance, vision, and hard work. He built Land's End from the ground up, faced countless challenges, and never gave up on his dreams. His legacy as a business mogul and philanthropist continues to inspire generations of entrepreneurs today. Though Gary Comer passed away in 2006, his impact on the retail industry and his commitment to making a difference in the world are felt to this day. His story shows that with determination, vision, and a commitment to excellence, anyone can achieve success, no matter where they start. Gary Comer's life proves that the journey from humble beginnings to immense success is not just a possibility, it is a reality. Like many great entrepreneurs, his story teaches us that while the road may be long and difficult, the rewards are great for those who persevere. Gary's rise to wealth reminds us that we can all overcome adversity and achieve our dreams with hard work, vision, and a little bit of risk-taking.